First of all, I would like to give an introduction about the assignment 1 and assignment 2. In this project, we will design an energy efficient lighting system and ensure the effective electrical load balancing for the JKR office and mosque. Each building zone has unique light needs and we will use an AutoCAD software for accurate planning focusing on the illuminance level. Our goal is to minimize the cost and the carbon footprint while enhancing the aesthetic functionality and productivity. Additionally, we will implement the load balancing to evenly distribute the electric loads, preventing the overloads and ensuring the safety and longevity of the electrical system. This approach will provide a reliable power supply for the diverse activities in both JKR office and mosque. Next, I would like to talk about the objective of the both assignment. The first objective is calculate the lighting parameters using the Excel. The second one is design the power socket, lighting and the account socket system using AutoCAD. And the third one is determine the suitable lighting and socket types. The fourth one is balance electrical load using Excel. And the last one is calculate the energy consumption.
For bilik mesyuarat, the length and width measured from the AutoCAD software is 7.53 meter and 12 meter respectively, with a mounting height of 2.3 meter. The required luminance is 300. The maintenance factor is 0.8. A lighting design lumen of 5300 lumen is used based on the datasheet of the chosen fluorescent 2 times 36 watt. Bare batten with fluorescent 1 times 18 watt had been used at spaces such as bilik gelung hose 1, 2 and 3. This is because these spaces have concrete shielding type. Bilik gelung hose has a length of less than 1 meter and width of less than 2 meter. Hence, bilik gelung hose can be considered as a small space. Bare batten with fluorescent 1 times 36 watt had been used at spaces such as landscape 1 and corridor 3. This is because these spaces have concrete and fixed shielding type. Bare batten with fluorescent 2 times 36 watt had been used at spaces such as tangga 1, bilik Swiss and bilik mesyuarat. This is because these spaces have concrete and fixed shielding type. The bare batten fluorescent lighting is suitable for this type of shieldings. This is because this lighting requires less maintenance and longer lifespan. Moreover, fluorescent lights are energy efficient. The recessed deba fluorescent 2 times 36 watt lighting had been used for the spaces such as corridor 8, ruang solat wanita and lelaki, ruang wudu and bilik perolehan. Each shielding grid of these spaces is 600 times 600 mm. Therefore, recessed deba lighting had been used for these spaces. This lighting blends into the shielding, resulting in a neater appearance. This lighting is also designed for quick and easy installation and tube replacement. This is mainly suitable for office spaces because this lighting provides glare-free conditions. The Sheraton Compact Fluorescent Downlight 2 times 18 watt had been used at the spaces such as tandas perempuan, lelaki and OKU and bilik 1. These shielding at these spaces are made of plaster shielding. Each shielding grid of these spaces is 600 times 600 mm. The fluorescent downlights are affordable and consumes minimum fitting space compared to the bare batten fluorescent lights. Fluorescent downlight provides uniform and concentrated lighting. The compact design results in a much neater appearance. Therefore, fluorescent downlights have been installed at these spaces.
We start with our first assignment, first example, which is lobby or waiting area number 1. With the help of AutoCAD, we measure length, width, area, which is 6.86 meter, 3 meter and 20.58 meter square. Mounting height is 3 meter and maintenance factor is 0.80. Room index is 0.70, which we find by using formula as below. Room index K equals to length times by width over mounting height bracket length plus by width close bracket. Then we can obtain 0.70. We use TLD standard 2 times 36 watt type and bare batten fitting type. This luminaire type lighting design lumen is 5000. According to Malaysia JKR standards, 300 lux is required. The COU is 0.49. We choose the COU value because need to produce brighter colors to room according to luminaire type datasheet. Once settle everything, we find required luminaire using formulas below. N equals to EAV times length times by width over LDL times COU times mF equals to 1.05. Then I convert it into 2. TLD is standard 2 times 36 watt because this type is good energy efficient. We also choose 2 times 36 instead of 1 times 36 because the brightness can cover wide range area. The lifespan for this type ranging from 10,000 to 20,000. Then we choose bare pattern because type of fitting because of the area is made of a shielding, so this type of fitting is easy to install, low installation cost and can save energy. These luminaire types good light quality with option for color temperature which contain mercury required must careful in handling and disposal to prevent environmental harm. Next example is staircase. We use TLD standard 1 times 36 watt bare pattern for all the staircase with one wall mounted. There is piping around the ceiling, so we used wall mounted so it's easy to install and never block the piping. This is durable steel construction and easy cable connection to with 10,000 to 20,000 lifespan. Is toilet. After mid calculation, we plan to use downlight 2 times 18 watt for this area because toilet grid can accommodate 600 times by 600 mm. This area is made of plaster ceiling, so the downlight is suitable for commercial application. We use total of 1 downlight in this particular area. The downlight is energy efficient, energy consumption, good light quality with adjustable color temperature and also give long lifespan. After that, this downlight requires safe installation and regular maintenance. This can cause eye strains, but newer technology can mitigate this issue. Example for the assignment 1, which is at Village Urutra Daira. We use 2 times 36 recessed T-bar for this area because high reflectivity of 94% paint. Easy installation which can save time and money. This luminaire type provide task focused illumination and energy efficient lighting and glare reduction. Moreover, this light gives long lifespan with stylish design for multi-purpose area.
Now I would like to explain about the project result of the mosque in detail. The first example from the mosque is Ruang Solat Utama and Wanita. Using the AutoCAD software, we measure the Ruang Solat Utama and Wanita, finding them to be 14.99 meters in length and 14.85 meters in width respectively. The mounting height is 4.38 meters. Suitable for the normal room, according to the Malaysia JKR standard, the required illuminance is 300 lux with the maintenance factor of 0.8. We use 7500 lumen lights, specifically TLD standard fluorescent lamp which is 3 times 36 watt. It indicates in the datasheet. Now let's see the lighting calculation for the Ruang Solat Utama and Wanita. First of all, we need to find the room index which is K equals to length times width divided by HM in bracket length plus width. So we will get K equals to 1.70. The COU we choose is 0.59 according to the datasheet for the TLD standard 3 times 36 watt. The value of COU is the brightest as we choose our fluorescent the brightest color. Next, we need to find the number of luminaire which is N equals to EAB times length times width divided by LDL times COU times maintenance factor. So the answer we will get is 18.86. The space is square in shape, so that's why we will use the suitable total number of luminaire is 20. In the mosque where the ceiling is very high and features a massive fan that may obstruct the lighting and make the maintenance challenging, we install the triple bare fitting type as well as the wall lamp. Furthermore, we use the TLD standard 3 times 36 lamp type to get a good energy efficiency, especially when using the newer TLD standard light with the improved technology. TLD standard lamp type also offers a good light quantity with options for the color temperature and can have the lifespan ranging from 10,000 to 20,000 hours. So the TLD standard lamp type is the most suitable for this larger space and reduces the maintenance cost due to the higher lifespan. Now let's talk about the toilet at the mosque. We plan to use this appropriate lighting for the ceiling because bathroom gate can accommodate 300 times 300 mm of the mosque. Therefore, we utilize this downlight at the plaster ceiling in the toilet of 2 times 18 watt. We use total 8 downlights for the toilets. So this can reduce the space of the lighting at the ceiling rather than be using the normal fluorescent light. Moreover, fluorescent downlights are more affordable, offering the effective illuminance at the lower cost. They are the simpler to install and maintain, making them suitable for the high traffic areas like toilets. These downlights deliver focused and uniform lighting, improving the visibility and the comfort. Their compact design contribute to a cleaner, modern look which helps to maintain the facility's overall appearance. The fluorescent downlights also provide the practical, cost-efficient lighting solutions for the toilets.
Today I want to present about example 3 of MOS ruang pelbagai guna. In order to eliminate the multi-space plaster swing, we are using 600mm and 600mm plaster preset lighting feature. Using this type of fitting in a multi-space have several benefits. They are slimly blend into the ceiling and create a model and neat appearance that switch variant style. These features offer flexibility in lighting design, offering you to customize the layout to fix different activities in the space. They are providing general and uniform lighting, improving the overall atmosphere. Moreover, these features are durable and lower maintenance, offering long-term reliability and cost-effectiveness. Plus, the recent lighting features are requested and stylish option for the multi-purpose area. Last example is billiard setup. We are using single bed pattern type of fitting for the storeroom because it is normal and at seamlessly. There are various benefits to use fluorescent lighting in storeroom. They are more affordable than alternative solution offering effective lighting at reducing cost. Fluorescent lamp providing enough lumen as well, making the storeroom visitable, which is necessary for locating things and navigating the area. They also request less frequent repair and have a longer lifespan, which is lower maintenance span and trouble. Additionally, energy efficient fluorescent lighting evaluate contribute to the lower electricity spend. In general, they are often cost-effective and useful lighting option for the storeroom.
For Billy Musharat, the diversity factor is 0.8 for lighting and fan, 0.4 for socket and 1 for aircon. The estimated load is 250 volt. The 2 times 13 ampere table fitted power sockets had been used at the operation room and the meeting room. This is because having the power sockets at the table is more convenient for these two spaces compared to the wall mounted sockets. As an example, there will be many people attending a meeting at the meeting room and there are high chances of everyone to bring in their laptops. Therefore, having table-fitted power socket will be convenient mainly to charge their laptops while conducting long hours of meeting. In the operation room, table-fitted sockets had been installed at each table for the personal use of each staff. The 2 times 13 ampere wall-mounted power sockets had been used at the ruang solat. Apart from these, at areas such as bilik pemandu, the wall-mounted power sockets had been installed right above the table. At the pantry, the power sockets are made sure to be installed away from the sink and water sources for safety purpose. For power socket, the estimated load is 250 watt and diversity factor is 0.4. 2 power sockets had been installed at the Tandas Lelaki and Bilik 1. These sockets had been installed into one circuit. The ring distribution system had been used for these two areas. This is considered because ring distribution system provides a guaranteed power supply. The bilik seminar had been installed with 4 split unit AC. Each of the unit is 2.5 horsepower. This is to regulate the temperature accordingly. Each unit had been installed into separate circuits. This is because connecting more than one unit to a circuit will overload the circuit. Hence, this is to ensure safe and efficient operation. Exhaust fans had been installed at the toilets. This is to ensure proper air circulation. Proper air circulation helps in eliminating bad odor. Wall fans had been installed at the counter 1 and ruang lobby area. This is to ensure proper air circulation and make the space cooler. Aircons are not considered at this space because this space connects all the way down the corridor. Hence, installing aircons will be a waste at such spaces.
With assignment 2, our first example is at Village Urutra Daira. We ordered to fix power socket for the first floor offices and balance load for power socket. In order to complete this task, we choose 2 times 13 ampere switch socket outlet with 500 watt load estimated according to the appendix. The number of socket will be 4. We choose string type of load because the quantity is high and less than 10, so can calculate with 32 ampere fuse rating and 2.5 meter square wire size according to appendix. According to JKR Diversity Factor Update 2009, for 13 ampere single switch outlet at office is 0.4. Then we calculate maximum demand by using this formula. Maximum demand equals to quantity times by quantitative load times by diversity factor, and then we can obtain 400 watt. After calculated maximum demand, then we proceed with calculating rated current with given formula, which is I equals to maximum demand over 230 times by 0.85. Then we can obtain 2.05. We use single phase formula because so we can equally balance the red, yellow, blue phase load. This type of socket easier for people to access electricity for a variety of use to carry out communication, administrative work and community events. We also install this power socket according to safety laws and JKR standards. Our next example is Bagian Petapiran. We choose to install 2 times 13 ampere table type socket for this particular area because it's easy and install under the table. So we install total of 3 based on our calculation. And the next example is pantry. We install 1 times 13 ampere SSO socket at this area because the socket gives fault tolerance and redundancy and provides guaranteed power supplies, environmental sustainability, cost effectiveness and energy efficiency. The next is balance load for lighting. First example is Bili Persalina and Tandas. We install 200 mm exhausted fan which is 15 watt into the circuit. It can exhale the bad smell and produce good smell. We install total of 2 exhausted fan in that area. And the next example is Bili Machine 1. We use total of 5 quantity 400 mm wall fan in that area. Ensure produce good air to the room. For all the example given at the balance load light, we use 6 ampere MCB rating and 1.5 mm square of wire for install of exhausted fan and wall fan. Lastly, balance load for aircon. The example is BLCC. We complete the given task by calculating the balance load for aircon by using the formula, which is aircon horsepower equals to area in feet times by cooling factor over 9000, which we can obtain 1.5. We determine the cooling factor based on the room size, so we install 1.5 horsepower for one quantity of the particular area. This aircon high efficiency, comfort and easy cleaning. We install aircon according by using the JKR standards.
Furthermore, let's talk about the power socket that have been used at the Bili Audio and Bili Imam for the assignment 2 at the mosque. Throughout the AutoCAD software, we need to install the power socket more than 4 for each location. The estimation load is 250 as nation standard. The diversity factor is 0.4 for the socket. We have installed 3 socket 2 times 13 ampere switch socket outlet for the Bili Audio and 2 socket 2 times 13 ampere switch socket outlet for the Bili Imam into one circuit. In this case, we use the ring distribution system for these 2 rooms. This is the consequences of the ring distribution is the best option for the mosque. A ring distribution system provides a guaranteed power supply, particularly during an important community event or religious gathering for the mosque. When the reliability, fault tolerance and the unique needs of each facilities are considered, the ring distribution system emerged as the top option for the efficiently serving the needs of the mosque. Moreover, a ring distribution system allows for the use for the smaller cable by distributing the electrical load evenly across the multiple pathways. This eliminates the needs of large single route cable, thereby reducing the material cost and simplifying the installation. By balancing the load, the system reduces the risk of overloading any single cable, which enhances the overall reliability. The multiple pathways offer the flexibility, catering to the varying power needs of the different room without compromising the power delivery. Additionally, smaller cable increase the electrical efficiency by reducing the resistance, energy losses, resulting in potential cost saving on the energy bills. Installation and the maintenance are also simplified as smaller cables are easier to handle and manage. A ring distribution system optimizes the cable size, improve the load management, and boost the efficiency and the reliability of the mosque electrical system.
Example is aircon socket for the belay pump. Installation and air conditioner in pump room at a mosque is most important for the several reasons. It helps regulate the temperature, prevent the pump and other electrical equipment from overheating, which can lead to malfunction or damage. Consider cooling extend the lifespan of the equipment, reducing the needs of frequent repair and replacement, and ensuring reliable operation. Moreover, air conditioner control humidity level, protect the machine from the persistent and rust that can be caused by extreme moisture. This is especially important in regions with high humidity. In addition, maintenance a cooler environment contribute to safe working place and maintenance person. Overall, air conditioner in pump room is especially for maintaining the efficiency, longevity, and safe the equipment of the workplace. This is the formula to use find the how many horsepower to need to fixed in a particular room. For example, in this case, we are using belay pump. Belay pump needs 0.17 horsepower. So we decide to install one unit of DC type aircon of 0.5 horsepower. The last example is toilet and temperature monitor. Engine fans are really important in keeping toilet clean, comfy, and steady. First off, they will get rid of any bad smell, make sure the hair stay fresh from everyone using the toilet. Also, they help lower moisture level by getting rid of moist air, which is top moral and vital for clothing, especially in a bathroom, which it also modifies the moisture control also stop walls, paint and features from the getting damaged by the water. Plus, adjust fan make the hair better by making out old hair and bring in new hair, which keep the place healthy. So having exhaust fans in toilet is super important for keeping things clean, prevent damage and making sure everyone stay well. Wall fans is really important in resting area of the mosque. They help keep the hair moving from its feel nice and fresh, especially in busy spot. When it's hot outside, they also make the hair cooler, which help everyone feel more comfortable. Plus, they get rid of any bad smell, so they always smell nice. Having a wall fan makes the resting area more comfortable for the people to rest before or after prayers. They are easy to reach and use, so everyone can stay cool and comfort. Overall, wall fans are big help in making resting area of the mosque a crucial place to be. The discussion of this project we focus on understanding electrical instrument to design the environmental friendly lighting system for the JKR office and mosque, meeting JKR standard. We emphasize the importance of proper calculation to ensure safety and efficiency. Effective load balancing was critical for the people health and safety, prevent the circuit overload and reducing risks like fire. This approach also promote long-term sustainability by minimizing wear on equipment and reducing energy consumption. Economically, it's a lead significant cost saving, allowing funds to be allotted for another important project and improving overall productivity and community service. In the conclusion, designing lighting for JKR office and mosque involves careful planning to meet different needs while being energy efficient and visual appearance. Collaborative effect ensures success. Similarly, effective electrical load balancing is critical for safety, energy saving, and equipment longevity. Using Excel and AutoCAD optimum this system, promoting sustainability, cost effective, and optical excellent for the both location.